Good morning, everyone. I am Guneet Kaura, serving as an organizing committee member for Global EduConclave 2021. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome one and all to the Global EduConclave 2021. As we all know that the new normal in the present scenario is remote learning, so we have decided to go virtual for this series of international conclaves. Global EduConclave GEC 2021 is an international forum which provides the most coveted interdisciplinary research platform to address the vital issues pertaining to all areas of sustainability. The conclave is providing valuable platform for researchers, academicians, managers, educationists, environmentalists, and entrepreneurs to congregate and share their findings, ideas, scientific knowledge, and new techniques about their latest developments in their respective domain for sustainable development. At Global EduConclave, we are committed to provide a much required platform to recognize the remarkable contribution of academic leaders, academic influencers, educators, engineers, innovative educators, researchers, young aspirants, young researchers, young scientists in their respective fields. GEC 2021 is being organized virtually by International Institute of Organized Research I2OR India, a registered MSME with Ministry of MSME Government of India, in association with Centre for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Green Thinkers, Professor G.D. Agarwal Centre for Scientific Development and Environmental Advocacy, IDS Infotech Limited, and Sustainable Cosmos. Now, on behalf of organizing committee, I would like to invite Shri Tanveer Singh, President Green Thinkers, to deliver formal welcome address.
Hello everyone. It gives me great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of the Conclave Committee at the official opening of the Global Edu Conclave 2021, being organized by International Institute of Organized Research I2OR India in association with Centre for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Green Thinkers, Professor G.D. Agarwal Centre for Scientific Development and Environment Advocacy, IDS Infotech, and Sustainable Cosmos. A galaxy of academicians from different research domains is present here to enlighten us, and we look forward to reviving and thought-provoking power-packed sessions. The wide range of topics covered in the conclave would be beneficial to both industry and academia. I sincerely hope that attending the conclave will help the participants in enhancing their professional skills. I would like to thank the keynote speakers, experts delivering expert talks for adding value to this conclave. I would like to express thanks to team of I2OR and Green Thinker Society for the successful organization of the conclave and for providing all the logistic support to the conclave. Thanks are also due to the members of various committees for their support in making the conclave successful. I hope this conclave will prove to be an inspiring and truly transformative experience for you. Every effort has been made for making the conclave a success. I hope that participants will have very productive day with enhanced knowledge base. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shri Tanveer Singh, for your valuable work. Global EduConclave 2021 recognizes excellence through its eminent series of awards for academic leaders, academic excellence, teachers, principals, educators, engineers, innovative educators, researchers, young aspirants, young researchers, young scientists, entrepreneurs, etc. for their achievements and contributions in different fields. The awards were instituted by the I2OR India in 2016 during IRSD 2016. Since its inception, we have received thousands of nominations for the envied awards. It is the regular edition of these coveted awards, and till date, 500 plus awards have been bestowed by the organization to recognize the exemplary work of individuals and organizations across the globe. So let's begin the proceedings by recognizing the awardees in various categories for Global EduConclave Awards 2021. So first of all, we will start with the people who have made remarkable contribution through innovative pedagogies in their classroom physically and virtually. It's time to recognize the global teachers. Our first awardee is Dr. Vasilios Drogas from Greece. Our next awardee is Dr. Dheerpal Singh from Uttar Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Nada Redkovic from Croatia. Our next awardee is Dr. Wahid Khawar Balwan from Jammu Kashmir, India. Our next category is the group of people who have made a difference by their leadership in the field of education and research. It's time to recognize the global academic leaders. Our first awardee is Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya from West Bengal, India. Our next awardee is Engineer Rohini Sharma from Punjab, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Ramya Hari Harasudhan from Tamil Nadu, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Rudraroop Gupta from West Bengal, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Ramendrapati Pandey from Haryana, India. Moving to the next category, it's time to honor the people who have played a key role in academics. It's time to recognize the global academic excellence. Our first awardee is Dr. V. Vimala from Tamil Nadu, India. Our next awardee is Deborsi Basu from West Bengal, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Chiranjeev Bora from Assam, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Vinod Kumar Shukla from Dubai, UAE. Our next awardee is Dr. V. Karunasari from Telangana, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Vajla Anantha Krishna from Telangana, India. Our next awardee is Dr. M. Radhika from Bihar, India. Our next category is the group of people who have done excellent work in their classroom physically and virtually. It's time to recognize the global educators. Our first awardee is Dr. Kavita Rani from Uttar Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Dr. M. Sangeetha from Tamil Nadu, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Shalu Sehgal from Himachal Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Professor Dr. M. Ramabai from Telangana, India. Now, it's time to honor a personality who is doing amazing work in the field of engineering and technology. Let us recognize our global engineer. And the award goes to Mr. Piyush Kamdar from Maharashtra, India. Our next category is the group of people who have transformed their classroom into an innovative studio of modern day teaching and learning. It's time to honor the global innovative educators. Our first awardee is Dr. Sridhar S. from Karnataka, India. Our next awardee is Miss Veenu from Haryana, India. Our next awardee is Miss Millie Sumbria from Jammu Kashmir, India. Our next awardee is Miss Shipra Yadav from Dubai, UAE. Moving to our next category to recognize the people who have contributed remarkably in the domain of research and development. So let us honor the global researchers. Our first awardee is Dr. Revathi M. from Tamil Nadu, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Surappaneni Krishna Mohan from Tamil Nadu, India. Our next category is the group of people who are growing to shape up into head-rate researchers in the future. Let us recognize the global young researchers. Our first awardee is Dr. Algubeli Yashwant Reddy from Telangana, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Gulnar Praveen from Delhi, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Jujhar Singh from Punjab, India. Our next awardee is Mr. Piyush Kamdar from Maharashtra, India. Now, it's time to recognize the people who are going to play a vital role in the research field in future. Let us honor our global young scientists. Our first awardee is Dr. Nasir Ahmed from Himachal Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Sanjeev Rathore from Uttar Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Dr. Pradeep Kumar Krishnan from Oman. Our next awardee is Dr. Divya Salatia from Himachal Pradesh, India. Our next awardee is Engineer MD Ator Safir Rahman Laskar from West Bengal, India. Our next category is the group of people who are offering educational services to empower educators, researchers and scholars around the globe. Let us recognize the global edupreneurs. And the award goes to Ms. Ambika Hanchate. Moving ahead to our next category, let us recognize the people who are making exemplary contribution in the global economy through their undying efforts. Let us recognize the global entrepreneurs, and the award goes to Mr. Piyush Kamdar from Maharashtra, India. Our next category is the people who are contributing to quality publication services. So let us recognize our global publisher, and the award goes to Dr. Rajiv Kumar Srivastava from Uttar Pradesh, India. Our last category of awardees is the people who will make a difference in the future to make this world a better place through their endeavors. Let us recognize the global young aspirants. And the award goes to Mr. R. Manoj Kumar from Tamil Nadu, India. And our next awardee is Engineer Shashank Dattatreya Kulkarni from Jammu Kashmir, India. All good things come to an end. Before concluding, I would like to invite Shri Amit Kumar, who is an educator, researcher, trainer and environmentalist from India. He is a recipient of National ICT Awards from Honorable President of India. He has also been selected for 2020-21 Fulbright Distinguished Awards in Teaching Program for International Teachers hosted by Government of United States of America. Let us invite him for a concluding remark on Global EduConclave 2021.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers, Center for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Green Thinkers India and International Institute of Organized Research, as well as all other organizations associated with the event and making this online event a successful one. And in fact, the contribution of all the keynote speakers working towards United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially the goal number 4, the quality education, is praiseworthy, and the effort made by all the award winners in their respective fields amid this challenging time is absolutely amazing. And again, in the end, I would like to appreciate the effort of all the organizers and want to see these events in the future too, where educators, researchers, engineers and all other people involved in positive efforts to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal. So I would like to wish them all the best for their every future endeavors in this direction. Thank you.